Hey guys, it's me Pawan Dagal, and in this video I'm going to tell you exactly how you can make money with affiliate marketing in a simple way. Generally you can make up to $3,000 per month if you follow the things that I'm going to show you and tell you in this video. So watch this video till the end. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do like this video. If you have any question, then please do comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. So without doing any delay, let's get started. As you can see in my screen, there is this is an affiliate program that is from System.io. System.io is a sales funnel building platform, or you can call it email marketing platform. It is overall everything all in one. Okay, you can check their features at here. So I was using this platform and I thought to promote this platform, and I was thinking to target several keywords like email marketing, sales funnel builder, landing page builder, and I decided to ask their support if they allow brand bidding or not. Then I messaged them. I told them, hi, as you know, I'm a customer of System.io and I'm loving this tool so much, and now I want to promote System.io as an affiliate. So I just want to know whether System.io is I allows brand bidding or not in PPC advertising. Then they replied me, thank you for contacting us. This is allowed when promoting System.io. So they allow brand bidding. Okay, and this is extremely good point for anyone, especially if you are new in affiliate marketing. Then this could be blessing for you. Okay, um, brand bidding simply means, so this is the platform that is called System.io. Now you can promote this platform in Google Ads by targeting the keyword System.io itself. Okay, now it has generally 10k to 100k searches, uh, average monthly searches worldwide, and its average CPC is also pretty fine. Okay, you can get some clicks in, I think, from 0.75 or up to $1. You can beat that much and get a good amount of traffic if you target worldwide by using this keyword, that is System.io. Okay, and you can sign up to this platform. I have given the link in the description of this video. You can sign up for free to this platform and you'll be earning 40% lifetime commission. So let me show you. Their pricing is like, I mean, when you promote it in Google Ads, and if someone sign up, they will be signing up for free in the start, and once they start to pay like $27 per month, $47 per month, then you will get the 40% of this amount for lifetime, as long as that customer keep on paying for the System.io. Now this tool is so awesome. Okay, this tool is much better than any other alternative of this thing. So most likely those who are interested in System.io and they are searching for System.io, and they are probably going to sign up with your affiliate link to this platform, and you will be earning 40% commission for lifelong. Okay, and you can simply create this kind of ad, System.io to launch your online business in 2022. Or what you can do is also you can simply type System.io in Google. Okay, and you'll see some ads like this. This is also an ad that is run by an affiliate, I guess. System.io official website, welcome to System.io. Okay, you can create this kind of ad and promote this platform. Okay, and when people sign up for free, and after some time, if they are willing to pay for their monthly on a monthly basis, then you will get 40% commission. Or if they decided to pay for yearly, then also you will get the 40% of this amount. Okay, so this can be a simple way to do affiliate marketing. So if you are especially beginner and you don't know a much thing about affiliate marketing, then you can use this strategy to promote this offer from this System.io. Okay, and this System.io does have other lots of courses also that you can promote, cheap courses, I think, and you can yourself take these courses also. So I'll be providing every link in the description of this video. You can check on that, and Still, if you have any question or if you want me to make some kind of video, then please do suggest me in the comment section and do subscribe to my channel. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.